Quite often when I create a Python script, for example a web scraper or maybe a script that fetches data from an API, I want to schedule the script every day or maybe every hour. In this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a Python script in the cloud. So the script that we are looking at today is this one. You see that I'm importing a few libraries, requests, JSON, datetime and pandas. I'm generating today's date. And then here I'm visiting a URL, which is basically an API that fetches the price of Bitcoin. And this is an open API. It doesn't require any authentication. And you can visit this API yourself by navigating to this page. And then you will see as well the JSON response that you get from visiting this API. I'm just going to copy this entire string and paste it into this JSON parser. Then you will see here how you can fetch the information that you want. And the information that I want is the rate as a float that you can find here, which is part of the BPI dictionary and then the USD dictionary. And if you want to extract this float with Python, you get something like this. And then what I'm doing next is I'm creating a data frame. So I'm doing that here. And then I'm writing a row to btc_price.csv. And mode is this is important because here I'm telling pandas that I want to append this row to the CSV that's already there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this entire script. I'm going to navigate to this website, pythonanywhere.com. And the cool thing of this website is that the free version of this website already includes all functionalities that you need in order to run some Python scripts in the cloud. So I'm going to navigate to files and let's create a new file here. I'm going to call this file main.py. Click on new file. The file will be opened in an editor and this is where I'm going to paste all the Python code. And if I run the script now, you can run it from here. Then you will notice that a CSV file with the current Bitcoin price will be created. Click here. And you will see here that a file that's called btc_price.csv has been created. Click on this file and you will see here the current Bitcoin price as well as the date when I run this script. Now let's go back because in the next step I'm also going to show how you can schedule the script. So for that, I'm going to navigate to tasks. So for example, at 7 a.m. UTC, I want to run this script. And what you basically have to add is Python and then the version that you want to call. So for example, Python 3.10. And then this is the path to the script that you want to run. So make sure that you refer to home, then your username. You can find your username here at the top of this page. And then main.py or whatever you call this file. You can provide a description. In this case, I'm not going to do that. And then you click on create. And now we have scheduled a script that every day will check the price of Bitcoin and store it in a CSV file.